Ladies and men only wish they could be as attractive as me. Now, this little twerp is back. I've been holding on for a long time, but I just can't with this little twerp anymore. I just can't. Twerp?
Bruh, I have way better.
Shut, bro. Bet. I'm going to roast you face to face. You're ugly, fat, and stupid. Smoochie just barked. Anyways, besides, and also, if Smoochie ever saw you, I would force her to bite at you, because you have nothing, because your mom doesn't love you, your dad left you, your grandma hates you, and these gummy bears are so good. And you'll grow up to be ugly as Adam Sandler. And you know my thoughts on Adam Sandler. Anyways, you're ugly, fat, and stupid. Now take that, saying you are better roasted than me.
Don't copy mine. Bye.
Oh yeah, bye, you little pipsqueak. Who doesn't know me? You subscribe to Blippi, which is just embarrassing. Because you watch preschool stuff. Gonna roast you. Gonna roast you so bad. Bye. Gonna go down. You puny little pipsqueak. Like, in the 200 special, you literally killed Ham and Nations and I had to turn him into a cyborg. So, you'll really be talking. You just escaped the cops, so pretty embarrassing. So, I bet you even my dog hates you. Watch. Okay? Whoops, I accidentally took a photo. Hey, Smooch. Smooch. Go this way if you hate chicken and lemon. This way if you hate chicken and lemon. She just went that way, bro. So even my dog... So even my dog hates you. Think about that. If a dog hates you, then that's just embarrassing. Yeah. So you better back off and stop making videos about me, or else next time I'll roast you even worse. So back off, buddy.